Aloha, everyone. As we enter into Friday's stock market session, we're on a good note. We're fully invested as the uptrend continues, and while we're extremely extended, and it would not surprise me if we backfill here, you still definitely want to be long. I've been reading a lot lately how bulls are over 50%, bears are under 20% in both surveys. Margin debt levels are pretty extreme, and so is net inflows into mutual funds are starting to increase rapidly. So yeah, we could be near the end, but until we actually see it, I've got to listen to my charts, and I have a new long tonight in PRSC. PRSC is starting to break out of a beautiful tight long man, I don't even know what to call that actually, because that's almost like a flat base pattern right there. So it's trying to break out of this very long, gorgeous pattern, and it's doing so in strong volume, has decent earnings and sales growth, so I got to take it as a long, despite us being so far up here. And also, I don't have many of my longs failing. The only one that's bad tonight is RKUS. It's closing below the 200-day moving average, and it's its second above average volume sell-off, in the past 3 sessions. So it is looking very shaky whenever the tape looks strong. Could all the volume in the NASDAQ possibly be upcoming churning? Yeah, but like I said, it's way too early to tell. And whenever we have overnight, Microsoft is gapping higher, and so it'll be breaking out of a longer consolidation pattern. Amazon is gapping higher, continuing its uptrend, and I saw Zynga tonight gapping higher, continuing its uptrend. I have to pause this for a second. Okay, I hope that went well. I just had a phone call from my mechanic, and I have to get my truck fixed. But anyway, so with the Ruckus sale and the PRSC new long, that's all there is to do. However, I am going to go ahead and put in a buy stop order on Tesla Motors, expecting a breakout above the 188 level. So it's going to be in between 188 and 190. Not quite sure where yet, but we're going to go ahead and get that as an initial buy stop. But I got to go ahead and wrap it up here. I have to go meet my mechanic. I want to apologize for the lack of videos. To be just full disclosure, honesty, I know you shouldn't talk about it, but I basically had my heart broken about 2.5 months ago whenever my girlfriend of 3 years, who we were very close with each other, went to Alaska. She always goes on these trips. She was a marine biologist. She decided to break up with me, and I moved on with my life. And evidently when she returned to Maui, she tried to talk to me, but obviously I'm doing quite well on my own because I'm a good-looking guy. And anyway, it didn't turn out well. I had attempted her to come get. I told her to come get her stuff during a time I wasn't at the house, and I paid the price for it as she destroyed not everything, but a lot of things. Stole a lot of things, including my wireless router and cable cord to my modem, and I didn't expect that because I got home later in the night and I was like, oh, guess we're not doing stock market work. Luckily, I have some great friends. So my apologies for all that, everybody. It is over. I have the keys back to my place. All of her stuff is gone, and hopefully she is out of my life as I continue to live my life. Aloha, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend.